you excited Mommy and Daddy got you a new puppy? Yes? God bless you. You have to put that online real quick. Charlie, are you excited about the new puppy? Yes? Is that how excited you are? Show us again. Yay, are you excited? Yay, Charlie likes his puppy. Yay, Charlie. God bless you, the light's making him sneeze. Isn't that funny? Charlie, good job. Are you excited for your puppy? Good boy. Yay, Charlie. Yay. Can you put it online? Char, do your I love my puppy dance. I love my new puppy. My puppy, 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 puppy. I love my new puppy. My puppy, 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 puppy. I love my new puppy. My puppy, 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 puppy. I love my new puppy. This is like, what in the world is that? What is it? I know, Charlie. You think you're a bunny rabbit. I think you're confused. You're like the chicken on hop. You're like the chicken on hop. Yes. You're very confused.